RedwoodJS, an opinionated full-stack JavaScript framework for building big, ambitious startups. As we all know, the JavaScript ecosystem is incredibly complex, with millions of different tools to choose from when architecting an app. Redwood takes a collection of the most battle-tested technologies like React, Prisma, GraphQL, Storybook, and Jest, then weaves them together so developers can get things done quickly and reliably. It was developed by a team of software engineers that includes the co-founder of GitHub and hit version 1.0 in 2022. It has its own custom router for server-side rendering, but unlike many other frameworks, it doesn't use the file system and instead puts all routes in a single file, with automatic code splitting for each page. Most importantly though, it provides abstractions to connect your front-end UI to a back-end relational database via a GraphQL API. Its Rails-inspired CLI can quickly generate the code required to build complex features, and not just build them, but also test them with Jest and Storybook. It ships with Apollo Client by default, making it easy for the front end to consume data from the GraphQL API. And when it comes time for deployment, the code can easily run on a standalone server or your favorite serverless infrastructure. To get started, generate a new Redwood project with Yarn. The front-end code is managed in the web directory. It's a React app that's wrapped with the Redwood provider, with routes as the main entry point for the UI. The routes component is a collection of URL patterns that point to a specific component, which is defined in the pages directory. All pages are automatically imported here, keeping your code nice and concise. In addition, all pages are automatically lazy loaded with code splitting, making your load times as fast as possible. It also contains a layout system to share UI across different routes. Now, the backend is organized in the API directory, which uses Prisma to manage the database schema, but also provides the tools required to build a full-fledged GraphQL API to access your data. The backend can also define its own custom serverless functions or directives which operate like middleware to handle concerns like user authentication. What's really cool though is Redwood provides an abstraction called a cell to simplify complex data fetching. A cell is just a component that manages a GraphQL query, allowing you to clearly define different states like loading, error, and success. Like Angular or Rails, Redwood provides strong conventions and a CLI to generate the boilerplate code for you. Use it to quickly create a component page or cell, along with the code for Jest and Storybook for testing. And finally, use the CLI to deploy the app to your favorite serverless cloud platform. This has been RedwoodJS in 100 seconds. Hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.